Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix unable to collect please try again later. This kind of error occurs on WhatsApp when you try to log in on WhatsApp with a new device. If you after putting your number, this kind of error occur unable to collect please try again later. First of all, you have to close that. After closing that, what you have to do is you have to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. If it is working properly, you can restart your Wi-Fi device, which means you have to turn it on and off. After doing all the things, you can check for data collection also. In data collection, you have to check if you are collected data collection. You have to check it is collected or not. After doing all the things, you have to click on settings. In settings, you have to click on apps or application manager. In application manager, you have to scroll down and you have to click on WhatsApp. After you have searched for WhatsApp, what you have to do is you have to open WhatsApp and you have to check whether your mobile data has allowed background data usage or not. If it is turned off, then you have to turn this on so that this problem can be solved. After that, you have to click on storage and you have to clear the cache of your WhatsApp app. After doing all the things, hope this problem will be solved. If the problem is still there, what you have to do is you have to open the Play Store and check for the updated version of the WhatsApp. As many bugs are fixed by the updated version of the WhatsApp. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.